Before you watch my video, please take a moment to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Versatile Cooking. Today I will be making masala mirchi for you. So let's get started. Ten to 12 slit green chilies, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and 2 tablespoon oil. Put green chilies in oil. Now put all the dry ingredients. Mix it well. Squeeze 1 lemon. Sprinkle few drops of water and let it cook for 1 minute. Your delicious masala mirchi is ready to serve. If you like my video, like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.